What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Obsidian like this with the Claude AI. I made this whole project using the Claude AI. This is my own video editor that autonomously edit the video for me, and over here you will see that everything is intact, just like the way you see on Instagram and other platforms. Is it actually usable? Yes, it is actually very usable because you guys can actually hover on any application and you will see that where and how it is working on. And if you guys actually want to know how I made it, I use the uh, desktop application of Claude. I was working on the project. I asked it to create the files for an Obsidian-like platform like this one. So it created an Obsidian file like this and the other files with all data inside of it. So you guys can simply ask the Claude to create a new project. If you go to the code and ask it to create a new project, under the new project, ask it to simply create the Obsidian files for this project and this location. And once you have made the files of this project, you just go to the Obsidian, go to the bottom left hand side. You will see that I have multiple tools. Go to the manage vault option. If you have the folder ready, open folder as vault, and then you just have to select that folder which you want to open. For me, it's Obsidian, and this is how it goes. Like I have another project like over here, which I have already made, and this is another thing which I'm doing, and this is how it looks. So it's very nice, very good. I hope you guys do it as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.